Friday the 30th of November, sometime around 1:30 a.m., police were called to the San Esteban Progresso Road in the Corozal district, where upon arrival they observed a number of portable fluorescent lights lining a part of the road, as well as some revolving lights on the eastern and western area where the lights were. No one was found in the area. This was as a result of information of a low-flying aircraft in that area. Sometime after 3:40 a.m., Corozal police responding to the said information by way of the Pueblo Nuevo Ferry Road encountered two persons on motorcycles who were followed by two pickup that had occupants in the back, and the police officers were fired upon by these persons. Police have since impounded one vehicle which was left at the ferry. And in continuing in relation to the said investigation, on Saturday the 1st December, sometime around 4 p.m., one Armando Pot, 26 years vegetable vendor of Shunush village, accompanied by a 17-year-old minor, reported that sometime around 1 a.m. on Friday the 30th November, whilst he was southbound, he left Shunush Road to Belize City to sell vegetables when he was stopped in this same very said area by four armed persons in a Dodge pickup. As a result, himself and his companion was tied up and left there. He later unloosed himself some half an hour later, where he too observed those lights. Police investigation into these three incidents, which may or may not be connected, continues.
We know that on that same date, a plane with a large amount of drugs, over a ton of cocaine, was found at the Chetumal Airport. Is that related?
At this point in time, we do not know whether that is related to this incident. But we are aware from the Chetumal media that this did occur.
Okay, so now the actors are, do you have any suspects based on the vehicle? Because you said a vehicle was recovered.
I believe three persons are in custody being interviewed in relation to this investigation.
Are they known persons of interest in this sort of plane landing business?
No, I will not disclose that at this point in time.